Hi mathematicians. Today we are going to analyze two-step word problems. To analyze means to examine and look closely at something. We will not be solving these problems. We'll think about the steps we need to take in order to solve the problems. I will model for you what this looks like. This is my word problem. Mr. Abbott buys 8 boxes of granola bars for a party. Each box has 9 granola bars. The guests ate 39 bars at the party. How many bars were left? I always like to read my word problems twice to make sure I understand what I read. So for now, I notice that there is Mr. Abbott, and he has a party and he buys some granola bars. So let me read it again. Mr. Abbott buys 8 granola bars. Oh, sorry, I'm reading closely, and it says 8 boxes of granola bars. Super important, I underlined. 8 boxes of granola bars. Each box has 9 granola bars. Okay, so this makes me think about my first step. It looks like there are 8 boxes, and each box has 9 granola bars. The guests ate 39 bars at the party. How many bars were left? So let me think again about my steps. And the first step, I think I need to figure out how many bars were there at the beginning of the party. So how many bars are there before the party? I see there are 8 boxes. Each box has 9 granola bars. So this makes me think about groups. 8 groups with 9 granola bars in each group. When I'm thinking about groups, I'm thinking about multiplication. So 8 times 9 equals, I know probably a lot of you can solve it right now, but I am not focusing on solving it, so I'm just gonna put question mark. 8 times 9 equals the question mark, which represents number of granola bars at the beginning of the party. Okay, so now this is my first step. Now I'm going to think about my second step. The guest ate 39 bars at the party. When you eat something, the things disappear. When things disappear, they are being taken away. When I think about things being taken away, I think about subtraction. So I'm thinking about number of granola bars before the party minus 39. So I'm gonna put question mark, which represents the number of granola bars before the party, minus 39 bars that were eaten, and that will give me the number of bars that were left. I will put a star to represent the number of bars that were left. As you notice, I changed my symbol from question mark to a star to make sure that I distinguish that it represents two different things. So question mark represented the number of granola bars before the party, and my star represents the number of bars left. Okay, these are the 2 steps that I took to analyze this 2-step word problem. Now you're going to do the same. You will read 3 word problems and you will write the steps you need to take to solve them. Remember, you don't need to solve those problems. All right, good luck.